Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Knightsky-Adamo and I'm one of the 2018 PolarTREC teachers. I'm here in Fairbanks, Alaska, getting close to wrapping up our training week, and if my experience is like any of the other current PolarTREC teachers or past PolarTREC teachers, there's a lot to process. We have learned so much and seen so much, and we will see so much more to come, that it's really hard to put into words exactly what it is like and what we're feeling. So I decided to talk to all the teachers and ask them to put into just one word what this week has been like. If you could describe your PolarTREC experience so far using just one word, what would that word be? Awesome. What was it? Coffee. Coffee. That's a good one. Okay, so what's your one word?
Fulfillment.
Worldly.
Okay, go ahead and say your word.
Fire hose.
Okay, so if you had to summarize your PolarTREC adventure for this week with one word, what would that word be?
Let's see, it'd probably be a tie between inspiring or reinvigorating.
Challenging.
Okay, go ahead, tell me your word.
Rigorous.
Tell me your one word.
Explore!
If I had to describe it with one word, the word would be humbling.
Mind swirling. Is that one? Mind swirling. My mind is swirling, so I'm going to say mind is swirling.
Okay, so if you had to summarize your PolarTREC experience with one word, what would that word be?
Mind blowing.
It's hard. I have a lot of colds.
And for myself, if I needed to put it into one word, I would put it as grateful. I'm just very grateful to have this experience, and I thank everyone at PolarTREC and Arcus for allowing me to have this experience. For more information on PolarTREC and the programs that PolarTREC runs, please check out PolarTREC.com, and you can follow my journal and the other PolarTREC teachers' journals as we all take our journeys to the Arctic and the Antarctic. Thanks, we'll see you next time.